Section 12, page 7, starting on line 18, implementing rules and regulations. Sa pagkasulat, parang walang in charge. Parang pantay-pantay silang lahat. So may I know, don't we need to identify which will be the lead agency in the drafting of the IRR?
The budget will go to for the implementing rules and regulation. The budget will be provided by DNR. So I guess they will be the lead agency.
Can we make it clear?
Yeah.
Na DNR in
Because in
collaboration
the proposed budget for IRR, it's DNR.
So responsibility na ng DNR to make sure na may IRR na lalabas. Apo. And then section 13 appropriations, may we know how much would be our estimated budgetary effect?
The budgetary estimated budgetary requirement submitted by DNR is formulation of IRR, and then they have a big budget for capacity building, which I think the school can do, provided they give them the paper guidelines. So that's 48 million. I don't think that's necessary. Establishment of new nurseries for the DNR to provide the seeds. That's, I think, okay. Survey, mapping, and planning, that's okay. So, yun lang. So, with that, parang 20 million lang. When their suggestion is 116 million. We're removing the capacity building because I think the school can do it, provided they have the printed copies of what are expected. And that's very big, 48 million. And then provision of assistance to tree planting event. I don't think you just plant in your locality. That's not, you don't have to give that. And hiring of technical staff, that's very big, 32 million. I don't think you have to, parang kung meron man, konti lang. So we're bringing down the budget.
Who provided her honor with the figures that she read?
DNR.
So hindi naman binding yun o hindi final yun.
No. It's just a suggestion.
Ano pong estimate po natin
20
as the
million.
sponsor? 20 million. So this bill, when it becomes law,
DNR will
necessitate
provide 20 million.
Congress to add 20 million pesos budget
to
annual
DNR.
in the annual budget of the DNR.
Yes.
Opo, pero para hindi po masayang yung effort nila kasi more or less siguro isang puntahan lang 'yan, ano? They plan 2 trips, hindi naman siguro 2 trips 'yun, ano? That they plan 1 trip per trip.
No.
Yung mga estudyante?
And schools can do that. They will plant it in the same community. So,
pero
parang activity lang yun di ba?
Para po hindi masayang yung activity nila kasi I'm sure hindi na nila obligasyon na diligan o alagaan. Nila matanim. So sino pong who will ensure that the trees, the saplings planted will grow?
It's DNR, DILG, LGUs, and of course, if they have a partner na NGOs, the NGOs will help. So yun ang mga yun ang suggested, DNR, DILG, LGU, and NGOs.
Hindi po ba meron na tayo programang parang ganyan na magtanim, di ba yung National Greening Program? Successful po ba yun?
Ang National Greening Program natin, DNR ang nagpo-provide. So it's a government effort. This one is parang requirement for graduation and maraming kasali. So iba yung national greening. In fact, ako nga nalakihan ako doon sa budget sa national greening. Pinalipat ko yun sa legislated protected area. So lahat ng legislated protected area merong protected area management board, so it can be supervised kasi minsan ang laki-laki ng budget ng national greening tapos wala namang natatanim. Oo.
And it's the same DNR. Paano po yan?
No, this is with the school. This is a school requirement.
But still, they cannot execute this without DNR. And DNR is an expert with the National Greening Program decades.
Pero kasama dito DILG, LGU at saka NGO. They can have an NGO partner. Alam mo, pag sa school manggagaling, madaling kumuha ng kapartner. Kasi maraming magulang doon na very responsible din. They would like to participate.
No, I have no doubt that the trees will be planted. Ang aking point is parang after sale service ba? After planting, what happens? Yun po yung worry natin eh. Kasi
Pero
hindi na si estudyante ang required na bisitahin niya yung puno niya, diligan niya, hindi na po wala na.
Pero may LGU, merong DILG, merong pang NGO. Marami na to eh. I mean, kung mag-fail man ng DNR, may mga alternative. And let's face it, in a community, lalo na meron kang school na kapartner, you can find partners who will help.
If I may interject, with the permission of the minority leader, does this apply to all schools, not only in public, but also in
All schools.
including private?
Yes.
Okay, where will they get the land, if ever?
Pardon?
Where will they get the land to plant the trees?
Where will they get
Where will they plant trees?
Land.
Plant trees.
Area.
in their area?
For example, sa amin sa San Juan, maliit po yung
You
lugar
can
namin.
choose
lugar na-
another municipality if there's no place in your place.
Who
Doon
will
sa
be-
mga cities.
Who will be in charge?
Merong budget sa establishment of
National-
survey, mapping, and planting. May budget sa DNR.
Fit-
Merong
DNR.
mag-survey. Parang gagawa rin ng plano.
Yes,
Oo,
it's
may
the
budget
who's
sa
going
DNR,
to designate
yes.
to the students
Yes.
where to plant the trees.
Yes, yes. In coordination with LGU and the school. Oo. Parang it's a common.
All right. What kind of trees are they going to plant?
Depende kung ano ma-produce ng DNR. Kasi meron silang mga tree nurseries eh. Doon manggagaling ang mga trees. Preferably indigenous trees, yung native trees. Oo.
For
Na
example? What-
Inaalagaan ng DNR sa kanilang nurseries. They have a list here of their nurseries eh. Let me read to you.
Mahaba po yan.
Species to be planted.
Ang indigenous tree is bamboo, coffee, cacao, other fruits, timber, and rubber. And they have a list
Do
of
they have
the-
enough seedlings to provide all the
Yes,
students,
they,
all the graduating
they-
elementary, high school?
5 million.
Eto, may list sila ng nurseries eh. They have 2 nurseries in NCR. In CAR, they have 21 nurseries. In Region 1, 9. In Region 2, 18. In Region 3, 14. Calabarzon, 12. Mimaropa, 12. Region 5, 9. Region 6, 11. Region 7, 7. Region 8, 12. Region 9, 9. Region 10, 11. Region 11, 13. Region 12, 8. And Region 13, 11. And they want to build new nurseries, 50 new nurseries amounting to 15 million pesos.
All right. Are there enough seedlings
Yes.
available to provide all these graduating elementary, high?
Ito daw ang kanilang 5.985 million a year, which
Five-
is nurseries. Almost 6 million seedlings a year ang production nila. Ito, current
Just
annual
enough to
seedling
provide all the
production.
graduating students?
Yes, because there are only 2.5 million to 2 trees per student. That's 5 million. They produce more than that. And they are building another 50 nurseries.
Of course, these students will not pay for the.
No,
seedling.
no. It's
It will be
DNR
provided by the.
who will provide for the seedlings. So,
Do you know how much a seedling costs?
magkano? 12 pesos daw.
12 pesos. So that's 24 pesos per student.
Per student. But it will be produced by DNR.
Where did these funds come from? From the GAA?
No, they have nurseries na. Existing nurseries.
Ah, okay.
And this is their production every year, 6 million.
Do they sell all some seedlings?
No, because we really plant trees, di ba? The greening program. Every, dati, lahat greening program, but now, a portion is given to the legislated protected area for their greening program. Kasi mas gusto ko yon merong protected area management board, may nagbabantay. And then, a portion also goes to regular national greening program.